Press the power switch on the button of the robot to power it on. Simultaneously press and hold Start, Stop, and return to checking this button until you hear 2 beeps from the robot. Press and hold these 2 buttons again until the LED indicator flashes slowly. Launch Kyvol on your mobile device after registration. Tap Add Device. Select Kyvol E20. Tap to select AP mode. Tap the indicator is flashing slowly. Select a working 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and enter the correct password. Tap Confirm. Tap Go to Settings. Select the Wi-Fi named Kyvol. Connected. Go back to the Kyvol app. Tap Next. Your robot E20 is connecting to Wi-Fi. Connected. The LED indicator on the robot will stay solid blue, and the Wi-Fi connection via AP mode has been finished.